good morning, shadows. So today is our last day in Bucharest, and it is going to be a day filled with just kind of mapping out our route to the train station, checking out a couple parks, finish up a few things I want to see, and then that is it. I mapped out my route. I use this app you guys might know called Maps.me. It's really great because you don't need to have Wi-Fi. Just Wi-Fi to download the map and then you're good to go. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Let's get this day started. It's a much prettier day, and let's do this. Alright guys, so I made it back to the park. I didn't film me getting lost to the train station. I didn't think you guys would be interested in that. I did find it eventually. It's not that bad of a walk. Once I figured out where I was going, it was all good. And I'll film a little bit of the way there tomorrow because it is kind of a pretty-ish walk. Right now I am in Cismigiu Park. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll put it down here how you spell it. And this is one of two that I want to go see. Right now I just want to chill, relax a little bit, and then we will see where we're going. So this park is amazing, so peaceful, so quiet. There's like cool things to find all around. I'm probably a little too close. Let me get there. So check this out. Check this bridge out. So Isvor Park is actually about maybe a 5-minute walk from the other park. It looks more landscaped, and I was super hungry, so I stopped at this little bakery as I was entering and got a strudel cu mer, which seems to be like an apple strudel. Super good. We're just gonna stroll around Isvor Park, and then there is the Palace of Parliament. I want to go check it out. I don't think we can go in, but I mean, just looking from the outside, I may not have to go in to see to see what Ceausescu built. And yeah, it's very, very grandiose. You can see why he wasn't maybe as others, among many other reasons. Alright guys, I'm gonna eat my strudel cu mer, have some water, and then we're gonna stroll around the park for a bit. Alright guys, so I have made my way to the Palace of Parliament, and I have to say, excessive, I say. That'd be the word. Wow. Just wow. I don't think I'm gonna go in, but just look. Guys, so that's where I'm gonna leave it. This is the last day in Bucharest. The last thing I have to do is go eat lunch. That is it. Then it's back to the hostel to pack and get everything ready for the day. So that's actually, like I said, where I'm gonna leave it. I'm leaving it with me signing off in Isvor Park in front of the Palace of Parliament. And I have to say, Bucharest has not disappointed me. It has been a dream of mine for my whole life to come here, and I'm so excited I did. I wish I had more time, but I have to move on because next up is Brussels, and that's going to be amazing too. I think Romania is just absolutely fantastic. The food is awesome, the people are sweet, the sights are beautiful. The weather's been pretty good except for the one rainy day. So all in all, guys, I've really enjoyed my time with Bucharest. I hope you guys have too. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of Bucharest. And honestly, like I said, I leave down below all the rest of the countries I have left. If there's anything on any of those that you guys think I should see, feel free to put that in the comments below as well. And guys, until next video, safe journeys. There's a bug. It went into my mouth. Holy crap.